Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Hootsuite affiliate program step by step clearly. To get started with the Hootsuite affiliate program, first, visit the Hootsuite affiliate program page. Look for the Join Now button to create your affiliate account. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email, and website details. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link to activate your account. Log in to your affiliate dashboard after activation. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can find your unique affiliate links. Next, browse the promotional materials provided by Hootsuite. Choose the banners and text links that best suit your audience. Use your unique affiliate link to promote Hootsuite on your website or social media. Share content that highlights Hootsuite's features and benefits to engage your audience. Monitor your referrals through the dashboard to see how your links are performing. Keep track of the commissions you earn from successful referrals. Regularly check for updates or new promotional materials from Hootsuite. Take advantage of any seasonal offers to maximize your earnings. Engage with your audience by providing useful tips on using Hootsuite. Encourage your audience to sign up through your affiliate link for special discounts. Repeat these steps to continuously promote Hootsuite and grow your affiliate income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.